The Nordic Logistic Corridor is an already existing transport route connecting Northern Europe to the rest of the world. It's a part and an important shortcut of the Botnian Corridor, a strategically important link within the transnational transport system of goods in Northern Europe. The objective is to continue to develop the route into an efficient, viable, environmentally friendly transport alternative for the regions in Norway, Sweden and Finland, thereby creating the conditions for continued transportation towards Russia and onto the EU area. The transport route also opens up the possibility of freight forwarding to North America, China and Japan, with the added benefit of dramatically reduced lead times. Trade and industry has a key role to play in the process, and several major corporations have voiced their approval on the project and its development. The Transport Cooperation offers intermodal solutions in every highway and railway crossing. It provides opportunities for transport-dependent businesses in Northern Europe, for example, companies handling wood or fish or manufacturing industries, to efficient transshipment services between rail, road and sea. This is an already existing transport route connecting Northern Europe to the rest of the world.